My favorite emoji is the peach one. You know why.
Darcei!
Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite bald-headed bitch back at it again with another video. On today's episode of Black Girl Tries, we will be exploring something called a soft girl. I don't know what that is, but you guys voted for it, so this is what you get. I put up a poll on my Instagram to get the final vote, so if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you missed out. So what is a soft girl, you may ask? I didn't know either. I had to look it up. So I went on to Google and searched, what in the heckaroony is a soft girl? And this is what I found. According to Urban Dictionary, a soft girl is someone who loves clips and headbands in their hair, cute necklaces, and peaches. For makeup, they love to wear blush, usually either pink or a peachy color. Hold on. Am I a soft girl? They're also addicted to lip gloss and love painting hearts and clouds on their cheeks. For clothes, they wear cute tank tops, pastel colors, tennis skirts, mom jeans, and cute white socks. For shoes, they wear either white chunky trainers or black school shoes. There's also a list of emojis that soft girls exclusively use. My favorite emoji is the peach one. You know why. I also found this article on Stay Hip, the one website I go to stay up with the kids. So this article is about something called soft season. The brief. As defined by social media and TikTok users, oh my god, it's another TikTok thing. Soft season, or hashtag soft season is a springtime shift towards gentler styles and moods. It's cool to be soft. Okay, so what's going on TikTok is all of these hard e-boys and e-girls, which we did in a previous video, are turning into soft boys and girls. Here's an example of one. Did you steal those flowers from the garden behind you? Please come with me, sir.
Are you tired of me yet?
Okay, this is the perfect example of a soft girl. She's putting on a terrifying amount of highlighter. She's got those adorable hair clips that everyone used to have when they were 8 years old. And her lashes are longer than my YouTube career. Are we supposed to be soft here? What is going on?
I look like I'm fresh off the runway. Bitch, I go crazy the dumb way. Bitches wanna be me one day.
Apparently, it's a trend to look soft, but not act soft. I like that.
Bitch, don't ask me who I be on. I'm just trying to hit it with my Gucci on. Netflix and chill, put this movie on.
So soft, yet
so hard.
Dear Diary, my teen angst bullshit has a body count.
I feel like I just stepped back into 2001 when everyone wanted to look like Kate from Lizzie McGuire. Alright, so when I look up soft girl makeup on Google, I find these very cute looking girls, and they're all wearing a lot of blush and a lot of highlighter. A lot of them also have really cute like butterfly clips. The whole aesthetic is very reminiscent of the late 90s, early 2000s style, which is the era that I grew up in, so basically we're going back to my childhood today. So let's take a step back in time and become a soft girl. Being a soft girl is all about being glowy as heck. So we're gonna start off this makeup with the MAC Strobe Cream. Gonna make sure I get it on all my highlight places, you know, the cheeks, the nose, huh? So glowy, so fresh, love it. The base makeup for soft girls seems to be very, very light. So we're just gonna start off with some concealer. I'm gonna be taking this Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Maple. Just gonna put this under my eyeball, down my nose, and on my chinny chin chin. Next up, I'm going to take my Glossier foundation, which I've been obsessed with since the last video. But we're just going to take a couple drops of this. Oh yeah, that's soft. And then I'm just going to set that with a bit of loose powder. girls seem to have very thick, inexplicably large eyebrows. So I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil to try and imitate that. So now that we have two caterpillars on our face, let's move on to the next step. For eyeshadow, I want to do something very light and glowy. So I'm going to be taking this basic ass palette here and taking this basic ass brown shade right at the end. Next, I'm going to take this shimmery shade here on my finger and just press that into the center of my lid. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Kitten Karma from Stila and put that in the center as well. Another staple in the classic soft girl look is big fluffy lashes. So we're going to apply those next. Alright guys, let's see if I can put these on. I haven't put lashes on in over a year, so wish me luck. Here we go. I think I did it. Huh. I can barely see. Time for the Pinky Peachy Blush. I'm going to be taking this one from 3CE called Hollyhock. Right on the apples. Don't forget the nose. This is a lot of blush. And soft girls are always wearing a ton of highlighter, so we're going to take the appropriately named Soft and Gentle highlighter from MAC.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
And for lips, we need a nude glossy lip, so we're going to be doing a bit of a combo here. First, we're going to use a brown lip liner. Next, I'm going to take this lipstick from VDL called Redwood. And I'm going to go over top of that with this very, very small buxom lip gloss. Oh, look at the baby. Oh God, it's burning. Oh God, the whole side of my lash is coming off. It's just a disaster. Alright, so now that the makeup is done, we have to change into our outfit and get our hair did. Soft girls really like pastel kind of colors. They like being really cute and adorable. So I went to Forever 21, where a grown woman can dress like a little girl. And I ended up picking this shirt out that says, baby. Because you can always count on Forever 21 to ruin a perfectly good shirt by putting something stupid on it. Alright, now let's change into these clothes. Yes, much better. Now time for the hair. Oh my God, this is so cute. Now I'm just taking this little hair waver thing that I got from Shoppers Drug Mart. Can't do a 90s baby girl look without having crimped hair. Those are the rules. I'm so soft. I look like a fairy princess. So now it's time to take a bunch of pictures and edit them on PicsArt. Okay, so I'm opening up PicsArt right now, and I'm gonna just grab one of the photos that I just took, and then we're gonna go into stickers. What would be a cute sticker, guys? We gotta do something for the potato gang. So we're gonna look up potato, P-O-T-O, no, P-O-T-A-T-O. I got it. Look at all these cute potatoes. But the potato that I want to use is this one. I'm just gonna shrink it down a little bit. Perfect! Now that's what I call aesthetic. And a video about TikTok trends absolutely wouldn't be complete without actually making a TikTok. So here it is. Enjoy!
I see now just how wrong I was. No, I haven't known you for a lifetime, but somehow I've never been more sure that you're for me.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. I sure did. My lips are still burning. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for coming along this beautiful aesthetic journey. Let me know what else you guys want me to do in the comments down below. I am always up for suggestions. I love stealing all of your ideas. I love it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you think I pulled this off, because I think I did, girl. Look, I'm soft as hell, okay? Can't tell me nothing right now. All I can see right now is eyelashes. Just eyelashes. And subscribe to my channel for more hilarity. I know you've been binge watching my videos this entire month, so you might as well just subscribe. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. But don't forget, I love ya so much.